In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your comment notification settings in Google Drive. Adjusting these preferences helps you stay updated on important activity without being overwhelmed by constant alerts. Whether you collaborate with others often or simply want a cleaner, more focused workspace, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Drive homepage. Open your preferred browser and search for Google Drive, then make sure you're signed into the account you want to manage. Once you're inside Drive, you'll be greeted by your main library of files and folders. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents your Drive settings. Click on it to open a menu of options related to your account preferences. From that menu, select the Settings option to move into the main configuration window. Inside the Settings panel, you'll notice a list of categories on the left. Look for the one labeled Notifications. This is where Google Drive stores everything related to how and when you receive updates, including comment activity on shared files. Go ahead and click on the Notifications tab to open it. You'll now see two main options that control your alerts. The first option manages notifications that appear directly inside your browser. Turning this on means you'll see pop-up alerts when someone comments, edits, or updates a file you're connected to. If you prefer a distraction-free work session, you can turn this option off to prevent Drive from interrupting you while you browse. The second option manages email notifications. This setting determines whether Google sends updates to your inbox when someone comments on a file, replies to something you wrote, or makes a significant change. If you prefer reviewing updates at your own pace, email notifications can be helpful. But if you already receive a lot of emails each day, you may want to disable this option to reduce clutter. You can toggle each setting on or off depending on how you like to work. Some people choose a combination of both, while others prefer relying on just one method. What matters most is adjusting these notifications so you stay informed without feeling overloaded. Once you've finished selecting your preferences, you can simply close the settings window. Your changes are saved automatically, and your notification experience will now match the style that works best for you. And that's all it takes to customize your comment notification settings in Google Drive. This quick adjustment can make a big difference in helping you stay focused, stay organized, and stay in control of your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for even more simple tips to improve your productivity.